So you're looking to get started in real estate?
Well, there's no time like the present.
What are you looking to do?
You should buy and hold.
Maybe flip?
No, rental properties. Build a portfolio.
No buying.
Wholesale those properties.
As you can see, there are tons of different ways you can get started in real estate.
Literally, we only named a few, and we could keep on going.
This is the Flippin' Landlord Ninja.
I'm the Kevin, the property prince.
And we're two guys take on real estate.
Two guys take on real estate.
There are so many different avenues, as we talked about, for getting started in real estate. And what we recommend is you need to figure out what works the best for you.
Yeah, you want to pick your path early and then actually spend some time traveling that path. It's great to be able to pivot, but you don't want to be pivoting in every different direction.
You'll never get anything accomplished. You really want to take something and master it before you move on to the next thing.
Think about this. Focus. If you're focusing on 5 things, you're not focusing on anything.
Not this guy. It's hard enough to get him to focus on one thing.
Hey, I'm focused on the camera right now, and that's important because I want to help people help themselves move forward on a path to financial freedom.
What I recommend is taking the time to figure out what your market really, whether it be buy and holds, there are a lot of rental properties on the market. Are this something where you can more find fix and flips, or maybe wholesale is the better method for you?
No matter what the market might be in your local area or where you're intending to go into real estate, there's all sorts of different paths that you can find to be successful. I like buy and hold because I love dealing with rental properties. And you know what? People are always worried about what if the market dips and what if the values of the properties drop suddenly? Well, nothing. You're going to continue to hold. It's just like a stock. You're not losing money if you don't sell.
I love flipping properties because you can see the before, the after, get that nice big cash at the end, and you can move that money on to other things. And you're not waiting years and years to get that money from that buy and hold.
But what if you're brand new to real estate? You really don't know too much. You don't have a lot of money. You don't have great credit. You don't even really have a lot of experience. How do you get started?
Are you talking about wholesaling?
I love wholesaling. Wholesaling is a great way for the newbies out there to try their hand and get a little bit of experience under their belt.
Exactly. And then if you do get experience and you master all those, maybe you want to look into note buying because that's a whole nother avenue.
Well, yeah, for that, they'll have to stay tuned to some of our videos. So make sure you've clicked that notifications bell so you don't miss that one.
And check out this video all about flipping houses.
Great. Thanks for watching, everybody. Best of luck to you. We hope you guys are moving forward on your path to financial freedom.
Thanks, guys.
Take care.